Okay, so hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on everything related to dictionary in Python, but it will be obviously part wise. So I'm here for the first part. Okay, so here in the part one we are going to cover all the basic things. So quickly I'm demonstrating you all. Like suppose first of all, if it is dictionary, then it is like we have only curly brackets. So this is how we write d is equal to curly bracket. Okay, and then if I print and if I write d, okay, so you can see you will get the output as curly bracket opening and closing, but right now it is empty only. And in case if you want, you can write also, but only thing is compared to list and tuples and set, dictionary will have two things as one element. One is its key and one is its value. So this is how we write. Suppose for example, if it is key, then if I write suppose one, suppose you can write anything. Like right now I'm writing first one as a key, then colon, and then ABC. So I'm writing in a single quotation string ABC, then comma. So I'm done with one element which consists of two things. One is key and second is value. Then same way if I say 2 colon and suppose again if I write PQR something like this, okay, and I will close the curly bracket, and then if I say print and if I write D, so you all can see it is showing me that key and value as a one pair and as a one element, okay, 1 and ABC and 2 and PQR. So this is how actually you can start with the dictionary. Okay, then suppose a dictionary is there and you are interested in printing particular value from the dictionary. You can see over here that key 1 is having value ABC and key 2 is having value PQR, and we are interested in printing only value of key number 2. Then in that case what you can do is you can write, first of all you have to write a print. Then we have used d variable, so we will write that d variable, and then we will write the not the index number but directly the key value. So key value is 2 and then closing bracket, and then so you all can see that for key value 2 it is showing value as what, PQR. And one more thing, suppose that if you try to like access the key which is not available, then we get the key error. So for example print, and if I write D and if I write 100 something like this, okay, so you can see it is showing key error. Okay, and you can handle this key error also by writing if condition. Like for example in the same case, like D is equal to same case only. uh, Here if I write suppose if, okay, 100 in this dictionary, and we have used D as a variable name for dictionary. So if the condition is true, then print whatever is there in D of 100. 1 minute, 100. Okay. Else, what we can say, that else you print one message that print key not found. Okay, so you all can see it is showing key not found because 100 is not there. So to avoid this kind of thing, you can write the code also for checking purpose that particular key is there or not. So that is all about how to handle the key errors. Okay, then if you want you can update your dictionary also, and there are two ways to update your dictionary. The first case, like if the key is not available, okay, then new key will be added, and that is also at the end. That is case number 1. I will write the example also. And case 2 is if the key is already existing, okay, then the old value will be replaced by new value. So for example in the same thing only, okay, something like this, and if I write D of 10 and equal to, and I will write x y z, okay, I'm assigning D of 10 equal to x y z, and we know that key 10 is not there. So obviously, as I said, as per case number 1, it will add key as a 10 and value as XYZ, but at the end. So now after this, if I print D, so it is showing me at the end 10 as a key and value as what? XYZ. So that is case 1. And case 2, if it is there, okay, and suppose D of 2. So 2 is there, we know, okay. And if I write something like this, uh, for example, hello, okay. In 2, we already have PQR, okay. So now if I write 2 D of 2 equal to hello, and then if I print D, so you all can see that earlier it was like 2 and value PQR. Now it is showing me 2 and hello. So this is how you can change also, and you can add also if you want to add. Then next thing is you can remove or delete the elements from the dictionary, that is using delete keyword, as well as you can use the clear function. So like for example, we are interested in deleting this first part, which has a key as 1 and value as ABC. So what I will write delete, that is the first thing. Then this is stored in which dictionary? D. So I will write, first of all, after DEL, I will write D, and I'm interested in deleting the key with 1. Okay, so if I print D, so you all can see now it is showing that it is only 2 and hello and 10 and XYZ. Okay, same way, suppose if you try to delete the key which is not present actually, suppose DEL D, and I will write suppose 12, and I know that 12 key, it is not there. Okay, so you will find the key error like this. Okay, then there is one more way, like you can delete or you can remove. That is nothing but using the clear function, that is also inbuilt. So the clear function will remove all the entries in the dictionary. So suppose right now in our dictionary we have 2 and hello, and then 10 and XYZ, and here I will write D dot, and I will write clear and function. Okay, and now I will write print, and I will write D. So you can see it is now empty dictionary, nothing is there. So clear will clear everything. Okay, the next thing is, what about the nested dictionary? Suppose, actually the meaning of nested dictionary is dictionary inside dictionary. So if I write D is equal to, inside the curly bracket, I have one key and name of that key is D1. Okay, and inside that I don't have only single value, I have one more dictionary which consists of a name. So for example, if it is a name or age or something like that, if it is thing, so we will write properly like name, then colon, and we'll give one name, like for example Vishal, something like this. Okay, and suppose you have one more thing, and I will write comma, and suppose you have age also, so I will write if it is number, then obviously like I will write 25 or whatever. Then if we are done with the D1 key and its value, this is full its value. Okay, so if I ask you for D, it has only one keys, and in D1 we have two keys and two values. Then comma. Now suppose I have one more thing which is D2. Okay, so it is also having nested dictionary, that is also possible. Same thing but different value. So we'll write same thing but different value. So name may be Akash and maybe age 35, something like this. And then I have closed main dictionary also. Okay, and now I will press enter. Okay, now I will write print, and I will write print D. So you all can see it is showing that full dictionary inside dictionary, everything it is showing me. So this is also possible that you can write and you can use also. Then next thing is, suppose you want to insert or you want to add elements to a nested dictionary, then how you can add. So I am writing one example. D is equal to curly bracket. So you all know now it is empty dictionary. If you want, you can check also. Okay, then I will write D, and in the square bracket it will have one key, so I am writing D1. Okay, and right now that also empty, so I am done with that also. And then I will add the elements of our main dictionary, and inside that I have one more key, that is the main key actually, that is I am talking about this one. Okay, then it is having two keys, name and age. So first of all I will close this bracket and I will write name. Okay, and close the bracket, and now I will assign one value, and it is a string. So obviously we will write in single quotation, and for example Krisha. Okay, something like this. Okay, we are done, and then I will press enter. And same thing I will add one more thing like this only for age. Okay, enter age. So here instead of name, age will come, and here I will define, for example, 20. Okay, so now if I will print D, so you can see inside the D we have a D1, then name, and then age, and name is also having one value and age is also having one value. And likewise you can keep on adding. If you want, you can add also. And suppose you are interested in printing particular thing, for example print. Okay, then we have our main dictionary, that is D only, and inside the D I am interested in printing D1 of age. So first I will write D1, that is one thing, and in D1 I am interested in printing age. So now in the second bracket I will write age, and then I will close the bracket. So obviously what it will print only value as what? 20.